Yes, all right. Blessed weekend. Happy Sunday. It's me again, Beth. Yeah. I'm here to look at the possible setups we might be having during the course of the coming week. So monthly, I normally start on monthly. Uh, when I'm doing my top to down analysis, I basically start on my highest time frame, which is monthly. Then I go lower from monthly, weekly, daily, H4 and H1. Yeah, basically I'm a swinger. I swing most of the time. Yes, I can hold trades from 2 to 3 days towards 1 week or 2 weeks. Yeah, so that's why I start off from monthly. I go a bit lower, weekly, daily, 4 hour, then at last 1 hour. The reason why I start on monthly is to do my candlestick science. Candlestick science, I literally go to monthly to track the possible order flow I might be having on lower time frame. For example, lower time frame could basically be weekly, 4 hour, daily. So monthly is to track the possible order flow using the candle science. Candle science, just reading, I'm able to interpret the occurrences of these candles. There's what we call respect and disrespect candles. So that's what determine the possible bias on the lower time frame, the possible order from one time frame on lower time frame. So as you see on monthly, I'm not gonna take much of the time. We have a bullish disrespect candle. Yeah, a disrespect candle is a candle basically which fails to respect the current PDRA. So in layman's terms, a disrespect candle causes what we call a reversal, yeah, in the market. Yeah, that's a disrespect candle. A respect candle causes a continuation. So since we have this solid bullish disrespect candle on lower time frame, this is one candle on monthly, but on lower time frame, it signifies order flow shifting bullish or fair value gaps pointing up. So when we go on weekly, on my DXY, weekly, we've been consolidating for some good month. You can see this is the area of consolidation, and price is currently reacting at this support. As you could see, this is the reaction area, and is literally leaving displacing off of this support. When I say displacing off of this support, is giving us existence of the bullish momentum, and that existence or occurrence of the bullish momentum, you can confirm it with a bullish fair value gap. This is a breakaway gap. It's another kind of fair value gap. It's a breakaway gap. So on weekly, once I saw this on weekly, I didn't expect price, or I don't expect price to come and pull back towards this bearish bullish breakaway gap, because in most cases breakaway gap, they don't really give pullbacks. They don't really support pullbacks towards them, unless maybe price has already reached its objective, or has already taken liquidity. Since we haven't taken any liquidity, this is our draw on liquidity. Since it's a breakaway gap, I wouldn't be able to use it, because I don't expect price to come and pull back towards this breakaway gap before continues. I don't expect that. So that's why I go lower from weekly to daily to continue to look for possible areas where to continue buying from. On weekly, we still have a breakaway gap below, and we don't have any area where we should start buying from. That's where I go down again. I go to 4 hour. 4 hour, yes, we have some area. On 4 hour, we have a order block. This is the order block of which where price is reacting currently. Yeah, this was the 4 hour order block, which is a demand. This demand that you see is a refined demand on 1 hour. Yes, I continue to go to 1 hour to clearly see how prices are reacting. On 1 hour, it's clear enough that 1 hour it gave us a nice reaction. This, yeah, a nice possible setup. You could say we have an imbalance in between 4 hour and we have inducement or liquidity above our order block. So this is what I'm hoping to see. I'm hoping to see price mitigating this 1 hour order block, plus us to first take out that inducement or liquidity, then mitigates that demand on 4 hour, then it has to displace upwards. Yeah, so I'll be waiting for that. DXY, we're buying during the coming week. So DXY, since we buy, it's basically easy for me to track how Eurusd, Gbpusd is likely to perform. So this is GU. GU is the opposite of DXY. GU, I'm hoping for also this kind of inducement, liquidity to be taken out, the opposite of the dollar. I'm hoping to see price taking out this liquidity, tapping the H1. This is the H1 supply. It's refined from H4 because this was my H4 supply area, as you can see. Yeah, if I could draw the all supply area, it will be, I'll be taking this all entire candle, but I went ahead towards 1 hour and I did order flow refinery. That's why I marked this 1 hour. Yes, so GU, I'm waiting for this liquidity to be taken out, price to refill this imbalance. Yes, then taps the H1 area of supply before it displaces downward. So the same applies to Eurusd. We still have the same setup. Eurusd, this is 1 hour order block. You can literally see it on 1 hour. It's refined to 1 hour. Yeah, that's it. So let me go back to 4 hour. Yeah, we have actually a rejection eye, and we have a slight here on 4 hour. You cannot see any imbalance, but you can literally see it on 1 hour. Yes, so basically this is what I'm aiming for. You can see the imbalance that we have, so slight. See, so, and this is a rejection eye. Liquidity is resting above this rejection eye, so that's what I'm waiting for, price to take out that rejection eye so that we continue selling. So this is what I had for today. Yeah, but if price maybe fails to push directly to take out liquidity and it just breaks below, then I'll be waiting for an area supply above, of which I'll use as my entry. You understand? Yeah, so this is what I had. Yeah, so have a peaceful week. I'll be buying Eurusd, Gbpusd, and Gbpjpy. I'm waiting for buys. Yes, for nice swings. Gbpjpy, basically I'm waiting for nice swings. Gbpjpy and Eurojpy. I'm waiting for nice swings. So I'll be trading GJ, EJ, EU, and GU. Have a blessed day. Bye.